Grand Rising, good people. I'm on day 6 of a water fast and I'm feeling grand on the day of the anniversary of Nipsey Hussle's transition to a higher energy. Thank God for that. Yeah, I'm about to show you a video real quick. You asked for it, peep game, on how to make a natural deodorant that is toxic free, good for the body, no chemicals, all everything nature provided. And over here, my daughter with her beautiful natural locks, very Afrocentric, is washing dishes. She's only 10 years old, about to turn 11, but that's how we get down, man. The kids doing things. You don't want to overbear them, but yeah, they handling business. They know how to do things that they need to do. Now, you're gonna need a lime and some coconut oil, and that's it. So do this after you shower or bathe. You know, you don't want to put it on top of the funk. But yeah, let me grab this coconut oil. It's coconut oil, and I use unrefined cold press. You never want to cook with this because it becomes toxic. Word to Savvy. When it's heated up, coconut oil becomes toxic. You rather cook with some grapeseed oil or, some hemp seed oil, avocado oil, stuff like that. But yeah, so what I do is I get about that much coconut oil, a little tablespoon in the palm of my hand, and then I squeeze. Hold on, let me see if this is stand up right here. Perfect. Oh, okay. Well, that's good too. That's good too. See that? Then I take this. I squeeze that juice out. And I try to, just brush off the little pulp. Just get the pulp off. I can clean that up in a second. Then you rub that in with that coconut oil after showering. Still gotta take showers. Then you rub that under your arm. Yeah, buddy. And then it'll keep you fresh all day. You still will perspire because our bodies were never made to not sweat. So those deodorants that you buy from the store that say antiperspirants, that's not good because our bodies sweat to get toxins out. Now, it'll be uh, a odorless perspiration that's taking place because that coconut oil. So I don't know, maybe some baking soda help to keep that dry, like if you wanted to keep it dry. But I just let it perspire because I don't mind for my underarms to feel a little wet. And then since I'm a vegan, my shirt is not gonna be soaking wet up under my arms like people with poor eating habits. So there you have it. We learn how to make a natural deodorant that is toxic free, free of aluminum, free of all the heavy metals that suppress the immune system. Now we good. Have a great day. Peace, love, prosperity. Spocky.